first run. I'm not going for a time here. We just want to get a data log, see how it feels with the new tires. First time on bias skinnies, so I don't want any surprises here. Second gear is extremely finicky. This is going to be another try here. I tried doing a burnout. The brakes wouldn't hold the car back, and the pedal feels very hard. It almost feels like the booster went out when I started it, and it drops when I hold pressure on it, but then it seems to stiffen up. It stopped fine down the track. It just isn't holding off the line,
at 134.
All right, so you probably just saw the Dragy footage. That was 100% accurate. Time slip in hand, it did a 10.620, which is dead on the nose what the Dragy read, even though the phone kind of slung back. I thought that would have threw it off. It read exactly the same, 137, 1.760 foot. Best yet, and still it kind of bogs off the line. And the two-step is going to help with that because we're going to be able to launch off a boost. But other than that, once again, everything feels 100%. So I'm going to let it cool off a little bit. Try to launch it again to get it hopefully smoother off the line, not bog as much. All right, guys, I don't know what to say. The car is just extremely happy today. Here we are, start of the day. We did a 10.7, a 10.6, 10.4, at 134. I'm sorry, 138.34. 1.6 60 foot, 1.7 in the middle, 1.9. So the 60 foot's been getting better. I just iced it down. We're gonna go again. I keep thinking I can't beat that time. I can't beat that time. The transmission's still grinding into second. I'm still launching at like a bog. I can't launch it off boost because I don't have the two-step hooked up yet. But she's still performing. She still wants to go faster. So I got the last slip here. It was a little bit quicker than what the Dragy said. It was a 10.79 at 137. 60 foot was abysmal, 1.9. Pretty much the same as the first 10.7 run I did. So once again, we got some ice in the tank. I'm gonna try to launch it a little bit higher. Maybe I could get it not to bog. But all in all, so far, I'm really happy for the day. A 10.4 with the current setup, current transmission, acted stupid with 100 and who knows how many thousand miles, and no two-step. It's a good day so far. So let's go out for one more run, maybe another one after that. It depends what the car does now. I'm kind of running out of ice. All right, so the sun's starting to go down. It's almost 4 o'clock. I think they close up, I don't know if they kick us out at 4 or 4:30, but basically I had the car sitting for about a half hour. I left the intercooler pump on. I'm gonna let it try to cool down. That last run was pretty shitty. Did a 11.0 second gear, wasn't having it, and I think it was mostly because I wound it out a little further to like 6,800 instead of 65, and the higher you go with it, the synchro hates it. But I'm gonna try again. Honestly, I'm probably going to shift to the same point. I want to try to beat that 10.4 at this point. And I'm going to take the last bit of ice that I have in my mini cooler that's keeping my drinks cold. The Dragy's telling me 10.49 on that one. If it's accurate, that's pretty close to our best pass. I'm just gonna hot lap it, man. Let's see what it does. This is pretty much it. After this, it's going back on the trailer, so.